Hello everyone. So let's continue with the pattern layout of saree blouse. In last part we had cut and kept ready the pattern pieces at back, front, bias tips for neckline, hook placket, eye placket, back facing, sleeves and 4 belts along with seam elements. Okay, so after tracing sleeve, so open the fold of sleeve and take the inward curve only at front for both the sleeves. Right, so inward curve for front in this sleeve is here, inward curve for front in this sleeve is on this side. Right, now take an ivory sheet, draw margins. Right, so make sure the distance between margin to margin is 100 centimeter because we are taking one end of the margin as one selvage, other end of margin as other selvage. So distance between selvage to selvage we are taking as 100 centimeter, that is our fabric width. Right, using 1/4 scale, so mark first 60 then 40. Okay, that is your fabric width you are taking. So in between this we are arranging the pattern pieces. This is one selvage, the other is one more selvage. Now take back pattern first, arrange it along the selvage because we cut the back portion of the sleeve in lengthwise grain line. That is why we are arranging parallel to selvage. So after arranging back, you are arranging front of the blouse diagonally because we are cutting the front piece in bias grain line. Right, so bias grain line we have mentioned here also, bias grain line. Right, so arrange one of the front like this, other front like this, diagonal to the box, diagonal to the box. So if you keep your scale like this, front pieces should be diagonal. So after arranging that, first you are arranging, once arrangement is done then only you are pasting. Then 4 belt along the selvage you are pasting 4 belts. Then hook placket, eye placket, back facing you are placing along the selvage. 2 sleeves again lengthwise grain line along the selvage and bias facing diagonally because those are bias facings, you have to paste diagonally. So after arranging, first arrange all, then you are pasting. Look at this, the fabric width is 100 centimeter here. So this is one selvage, this is other selvage. So from here to here using your 1/4 scale it has to be 100 centimeter. After arranging all, here draw a line. So after that, so measure from one end of the ivory sheet that you started pasting your back, measure from here 60 till here, then from here to here it is 25. 60 plus 25, so 60 plus 25, 85 centimeter you have taken to paste all the pattern pieces. That means 85 centimeter is the fabric consumption for a size 10 saree blouse with the sleeve length of 15 centimeter. Say if the sleeve length increases, means your sleeve has to be placed here, say roughly, that means the fabric consumption increases. Like that you are noting down the fabric consumption. So after that you have mentioned here fabric width 100 centimeters and note down after taking the fabric consumption you are writing the fabric consumption. Now we have got it as 85 centimeter. Okay, note down the fabric consumption. By knowing the fabric consumption for a particular pattern, you can know the costing of that particular garment. That is why pattern layout is used for the costing or budgeting of any garment. Right, thank you.